Hello everybody, welcome to our day. It's Friday, 3:30 in the afternoon. I made my delivery at Walmart yesterday, and they didn't take everything off, and we're trying to find a place to donate what I have on this trailer. I don't know if the camera's showing it, but I got 2 skids, 72 cases of Tyson chicken that we gotta go and donate before I'm completely empty. Meanwhile, I'm cooking me something to eat. Got me some noodles in there, and I'm gonna make me some a veggie and some mashed potatoes. 2 minutes. We'll be right back. All right, guys. Right from the microwave. Mashed potatoes, vegetables, and that's what you call cheeseburger macaroni. Whipped it up in the microwave. We're gonna eat this. We'll be right back. They actually got a dock over here too. It won't take them long to get this off. It's only 2 skids.
Yeah. Hi. Yeah, you can go ahead through. He said their line is down and everything's good. So you're going to 999 East Tillman Road, correct?
East Tillman. Well, that's what I'm double checking. When I called the number, it gave like a couple different places on there.
Yeah, we have 2 locations, but the place you need to go is 999
Okay.
East Tillman Road. And you want to go in off John Street because that's the dock for the semis.
That's Lafayette Street. I guess. Let me go in and see if I can find somebody. I'll be right back, folks. All right. We're back. We delivered the 2 skids. We are empty. Oh.
Okay.
All right. You got sweet tea?
Mm-hmm.
That'll work. Oh. What do we want? Breakfast or dinner? It's lunch. Excuse me. Oh, thank you, ma'am.
You're welcome. You want a few moments?
You know, I think I might know what I want. That country fried steak sounds really great.
It is good.
Take that with mashed potatoes.
You want the same gravy on the steak or you want brown gravy?
No, on the same. And do you have like a veggie, or can I get a salad or something? Something green?
I got corn for my veggie, or I have a little tossed salad.
I'll take a tossed salad.
What dressing?
You don't have to put the futons on it or whatever you call that stuff. That toasted bread.
Oh yeah, we don't do
That
that.
you're good.
What kind of dressing you want?
Come to my house. We have some
French. That's a little bitty salad, wouldn't you say? Not very big. It'll work though. There it is, guys. Yeah. Chicken fried steak and mashed potatoes and gravy. That's it. Oh yeah. I'm gonna eat this. I'll be right back. Well, let's go back to the truck. We're gonna do away with this fuel island here. Looks like they're getting ready to, they're constructing a new one. They even got the new Catskill sign over there. It's gonna have a new Catskill. That's where the tank's gonna be. I guess that's where they fill them. I'm guessing there's some big hoses here. And I'm guessing the Catskill is going to be right over there. So this is where the Catskill is going to be. They're digging the trench out for that. Right now it looks like a swimming pool, don't it? getting a bit excited here. I saved my little doggies a little bit of chicken fried steak. Jake is, he's over there eating his. Here, Panda, let's turn that around so you can reach it better. There you go. And I gotta be back here because Panda will find a way. She loves eating on the bed, right? That's got gravy on it. Nuh-uh. But anyway, guys, this is going to be the video. We started it yesterday, and hope you. I'm trying to get this down my chicken fried steak down me too. But thank you for watching. We appreciate it. Stay tuned for another video. Oh yeah.